Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will see the combination of series and parallel resistance. So you can see here this loop are parallel loop, all three resistance are parallel. So this loop is the combination of parallel resistance, and there is a one another loop, it also having two resistance and one short wire. So it also in parallel, but this loop and this loop are in series. You can see here these are connected with one wire, so you can see these are in parallel. So now this is the battery, and if I switch on the this resistance switch, so there will be no current because circuit is not getting complete. You can see here all these switch are disconnect, so ground path is not connected to the this resistance, yeah, this circuit. So this circuit is not complete, so current will not flow. If I switch on the this resistance, then there will be current because circuit will complete from here to here and here to here. So current will flow here to here, here to here, here to here. Now I switch on this, so you can see here there is a current. Now I tell you one thing, if you switch on these resistance, this resistance, this resistance, current will be increased because this resistance are in parallel. Okay, but if you switch on this resistance and this resistance, so current will decrease because overall series resistance will be increased. But in this condition, if I switch on the this, so current will decrease because this and this will be in parallel. So resistance of parallel combination will be decreased, resultant resistance. Now I show you, if I switch this, the current will increase here. You can see here. Now it is 17.9 milliampere. If I close this, current will more increase. 18.3. If I off, less. If I off, less. Okay. So we switch on the this, all three. Here is the 18.3. Now you can see here there is only one resistance in the series of this combination. If I put one resistance, if I switch on this resistance in parallel with this, so what will be happen? This resistance combination and this resistance are in parallel, so resultant resistance will decrease, so current will increase. Okay, so you can see here right now here is the 18.3 milliampere before closing this. Now I close this, so current will increase. You can see here 22.4 milliampere. Okay, now this is the short wire, it having no resistance. So what will happen? It will work like a short wire, simple wire. So when I close this switch, the current will be more, overall current will be more, and current through this resistance and this resistance will be zero because now current will get short path, minimum resistance path. So all current will flow in this path. Okay, no current will flow in this because now it has become short circuit. So you can see here, here is the 22.4 milliampere. Current will more when I switch on this short wire. You can see here 68.8 milliampere. So now you can see here there is a no current in this branch and this branch. Okay, and you can see here more current in this branch because this is the 100 ohm, less current on this branch because this is the 400 ohm, and this is 800 more ohm resistance, so less current than these two in this. So I hope you got this circuit, how current follow. Okay, so we will meet in the next video with the another this type of circuit. Thank you. And if you got something from my video, please like and subscribe my video, because I get motivation to make this type of video if you like and subscribe my video. Thank you.